Most solo devs fail because they build games no one wants. I know because I used to be one of them. I spent 2 weeks building North Pole alone. But here's the secret. I wasn't some master scripter. I used Gemini AI to write the logic while I focused on building and marketing. The result? I made 50,000 Robux with zero ad spend just using YouTube Shorts. And the game peaked at 30 CCU. It was a success, but it was a small one. I eventually let the game die because I didn't have a system to keep the ideas fresh. I even turned down a 4-figure buyout offer because I knew I had stumbled onto something big, but I eventually came to regret that decision. Then my friend took the AI method to the extreme. He built Spin a Brainrot with zero coding skills, just pure AI prompting. He went from zero to making $20,000 every 72 hours. And he ended up selling the game for $200,000. The dream game is dead. The system game is the future. Today I'm showing you 2 AI agents I built to automate hardest parts of development, finding the idea and ranking its survival. It's April of 2026, and if you aren't using AI, you're basically playing on hard mode with a broken controller. Look at the front page. Brainrot content is still the king of the algorithm. We're seeing devs reuse templates, slap a new spin on them, and go viral overnight. Whether it's original hobbies, the funny, weird ones, or high earning simulators, the goal is the same. Monetize the trend. And with the new Roblox Plus subscription update, everything is changing. Skeptics in my comments will probably tell you AI is dumb or that it's cheating. Well, I'm a walking example that they're wrong. My friend is a $200,000 example that they're wrong. If you have the vision, Gemini has the code. The first tool in my arsenal is the Meta Hunter. I built this agent using adaptive AI specifically to solve the idea block. I don't want just a good idea, I want a viral idea. Look at this. I asked for a niche and it gave me tattoo a brainrot. Most AI gives you generic stuff, but look at the verification proof. It searched roblox.com and the web to prove that while brainrot RNG exists, no one is using this tattoo mechanic yet. That's the veg. It even gave me the 48-hour MVP plan. From the tattoo gun tool logic to the showcase plaza. But having a chatbot isn't enough for a real studio. I wanted a real workspace. I sent the system deployment protocol to initiate the Roblox Venture Scout. Its job is brutal. Audit any ideas for viral velocity, monetization radius, and solo dev feasibility. I asked Adaptive AI to scaffold a real app. I wanted a dedicated UI with a paste your messy idea box and a run venture audit button. This is the result. It's a specialized April 2026 meta auditor. Instead of scrolling through chat logs, I have a clean dashboard. I even had it add predictive scaffolding. That means if I put in a bad or a lazy idea, like just a pizza game, the UI doesn't error out. It automatically suggests a pivot, like or a pizza. Roll for mythic toppings. It turns every bad idea into a 2026 ready blueprint before I even open the studio. The most important part of the scout is the roast. It identifies 3 brutal reasons why players will quit your game within 24 hours. Most devs are too in love with their ideas to see the flaws. This AI doesn't care about your feelings. It identifies the leak where you'll lose money. I also made sure the AI keeps its pivots fully AI generated. I didn't want it to be repetitive. I wanted to discover weird, high potential combinations we haven't thought of yet, while staying focused on 2026 aura and RNG mechanics. And for those of you running 10 plus audits a day, like I am, I added a session shortlist using local storage. If a game gets a high build verdict, I pin it to the bottom so I can see my winners in one clean list. When the scout says build, I move to execution. I don't sit there struggling with C-frame or data stores. I describe the outcomes I want to Gemini. I use the 48-hour MVP checklist the Meta Hunter gave me, and I let the AI handle the math. This is how you go from paying rent with Robux to becoming a top earner on Roblox. My friend didn't get lucky with his $200,000 exit. He followed the system. He identified the trend, audited the monetization with his version of the scout, and launched. The dream game is a trap. The system is the shortcut. I'm showing you the exact tools and the screenshots of my deployment protocol because I want you to see that the barrier to entry is gone. Stop building games no one wants. Build a system that finds what they crave. I'll see you on the front page.